the water would be able to get through it.
Yeah.
You see the solar charging station?
Oh wow.
I got this installed. It's my contribution. What? This is my contribution to the garden, the solar charging station.
USB. Oh, cool.
Tell her what it is you're doing.
I'm holding it down here.
We thought you were supposed to hold it above the ball, and the ball is like to prevent it from slipping from your hand.
Oh,
You're supposed to hold it on the ball.
Yeah. Makes it much easier to crack. Like it's significantly better.
Jeff, look.
What?
I could do the indie almost.
Yeah.
Mom had one.
I mean, you might as well. Is this your
Mom used
car's
to.
not here?
Yeah,
no,
this is my car.
We're gonna take us back to Jevons. My car's there.
Mom used to have a whip, but she would swing it around like overhead, and then there was a.
So like,
There was. I think it was more than you were doing.
so like she used to.
Am I getting annoying?
No, you got it. I'm gonna go over here. So she would.
Yeah, something like that.
Like that?
Yes, yeah.
Ooh,
Wow, that was a good
Dang.
that was that one.
Yeah.
Are we going to the festival, or
I like the new
or
way.
you gotta go back home first?
I gotta get Nico.
Are you gonna come
Why?
back and we'll meet you downtown, or?
Yeah.
Why do you need Nico? He doesn't like
I
garlic.
like him.
He doesn't like garlic.
I like Sometimes Zach asks me and Devin asks me, like, why are you getting that? And I'm like,
Yeah, but he's such a nuisance.
it's not a good
Yeah.
You're gonna bring
No.
it down.
it's-
You're gonna
Why do you like a nuisance like that? Why do you like such a nuisance?
Okay, I guess just call us when you get back. We'll meet up with you.
Yeah, but why do you like such a nuisance?
Dogs. Yeah, it's warm. I gotta fix my shoes. Never mind.